my channel Be Obsessed. This is Sumana and today's video is about decluttering and organization. Trust me, this is not my room, neither my wardrobe that I'm gonna declutter or organize, because let's not talk about my room. It's very dirty right now. Over the last few months, me and Neil have been traveling a lot and I did not have enough time to clean and declutter my wardrobe. My staff who works for me, she has been able to clean some of it, but then she cannot do it at par as I would do, because sometimes I have this OCD thing which comes in my head and I want everything to be like crystal clear, like picture perfect and everything, and then I start like, no, I should start cleaning right now. Even this is the same case with Neil as well. So today, as Neil is out of town for the last 1 week and he will be out of town for another week, I guess so, and he is shooting a video for me because this time I was not able to travel with him because of my health conditions and my toothache. As you guys know, that I had a very bad wisdom tooth that was coming out in the left, and I had a swollen face, so I was not able to travel with him. So this time he is taking care of that part where he is traveling and shooting the travel vlog, which will be up on my channel very soon as he's back. However, when this vlog goes up, this is about decluttering, so I would be decluttering and organizing Neil's wardrobe. So let me just show you how this room looks like right now. This is the entire study room that he has. I'm not sure if I will be able to do it in 1 day or it will take me 2 days, but let me just show you around and show you. Come along. Okay, this is one side of the room. Then we have our common workstation. This is the workstation where me and Neil, we both sit and work. So generally I work from home, so I use this more than Neil does. And this is also messed up right now. And on the right hand side again, there is another cupboard, wardrobe, sorry, that's there, which is Neil's formal and office wear. So let me just show you this one as well. Dun-da-dan! Here it opens, and you can see this one is still better comparative. Okay guys, so first of all I'm gonna start with this wardrobe, which is the casual wardrobe for Neil. So that's this one. So let's just start cleaning and organizing this particular wardrobe first. So come along with me.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Okay, I got something to clean, like a cotton t-shirt and the old one, of course. And I'm gonna.
Clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
Guys, it's almost 2 hours and I have not been able to complete one wardrobe yet. I'm still folding his clothes and now I am in his gym section. I never knew that. It's so many clothes he has. Who on earth has so many clothes? Look at my condition. Everything is just like coming out because I'm damn tired and I have so many stuff to do. Still with one wardrobe, how will I finish the other one? I feel like crying. But trust me guys, it's a lot of work. I am never gonna do this again. Never. So any of you who is interested to watch Neil's gym collection, you know, he has got a variety of gym collection, gym wear, leave a comment below and I will take you guys through his gym collection as well. So let me get back to work again. I'm so tired. Okay, so now that you can see, I've organized everything, so I'll just show you how I managed it. So the first section, the first place is for all his ethnic and traditional attire. So all the kurtas goes in here. Then goes in his winter wear that he would prefer to wear on a regular basis or something. Then a few of his jackets. Then goes the general t-shirts that he wears on a regular basis. Then the collared t-shirt. So this range from here to here is the collared t-shirt, and these are all round neck t-shirts. So that's how I have done it. I wanted to do it as per a color sequence, but then it would have been difficult for him to find out the dresses, the t-shirts in fact. So what I've done is I have done it according to the categories. So traditional attire, then the sweaters, and then the jackets, then the round neck t-shirts, then the collared t-shirts, and then some casual round neck t-shirts again. Okay, and then on the next tab, let me show you the drawer. I didn't do much here. He is already organized. As you can see, he has got his caps, his gym towels, and some gadgets. He's left it here. And this one, he's got some of his, again, some gadgets, some tennis balls, because he loves playing tennis, and that's the tennis balls, his swimsuit and everything, it's there. So that's how he has maintained it. That's pretty nice. So then comes this snack where I have just managed the things that he wears. Okay, then comes this rack where I've managed the dresses, the pants. I keep saying dresses, he's gonna kill me. It's not dresses, guys, it's the pants and the pajamas, the comfy pajamas that he wears at home. Those are those t-shirts. This is the box where I have kept everything that he would wear inside the home. When he's at home, he would wear anything he can just pick up. So this left side, I have rolled all his bermudas and half pants and 3/4, and this section is for all the t-shirts that he's wearing at home. And the other box is his gym attire. I was not able to fit all his gym attire in this box, so few I have just put it across away. Once he is back, he has to decide what he has to do with those. I've seen him wearing this box, as in this t-shirts, so that's why I have just kept few of them here. So it's like I've rolled all the gym bottoms on this side, on the left hand side, and all the tees on this side, so one on top of the other. So I've racked it like that. So because it's making it very, very neat and very clean, it is giving a very neat and clean appearance compared to the last one. And the bottom one is all his shoes. I have not messed up anything. It's just that because he is very, 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 what to say, he is mad about his shoes. So if anything goes wrong, then he's gonna kill me. So rather than doing anything, I've just organized it, and I've just left it inside the packets the way as it should be. You can only see few of his shoes here because the rest is in the drawing room shoe cabinet, and few he has taken along with him. So once he is back, one day I can maybe show you the shoe tour for Neil, and you'll go crazy. He has more shoes than I have, trust me. So let me now move on to the next wardrobe and start cleaning it. Okay guys, so after 1.5 hours, this is how the wardrobe looks. This is the formal wardrobe that I told you for Neil, and this is how I have organized it. You can see there's a lot of space, but trust me guys, there's a lot of space because Neil has taken half of his clothes with him, more than half in fact, because he's traveling for an entire Europe tour, and that is for almost a month long. So he needs to carry a lot of stuff with him because he has got several business meets that he has to attend. So right now, let me just show you what have I done to organize it. So this section, the first section, is for all the blazer and the suit that he prefers or wears to work or business meet or anything like that. And then there is this formal shirt that I have kept few of them, which he has already worn it and he's gonna wear it the next time or something. And then there is this lot is fresh out of the laundry, and few of the new shirts and t-shirts that he shopped but he didn't have the time to wear it, so those are all stacked here. There are a few ties that I have stacked in, and then this is the section where the first section is all his denims, the second is all his casuals, semi-casuals, that's what it's called, I'm not very sure, and the third section is formals and shirts that is supposed to go for laundry. So I've just segregated it so that once he is back, he can just have a look and let me know, so that accordingly I can send it for laundry. And this is how it looks after 1.5 hours, and it's too much of a work, guys, trust me, it's too much of a work, but yes, I liked doing it. Okay, this is how the room is looking right now. Just look at the entire mess. Okay, you can see that. So let's get started again to clean up. Okay, so now that the room is cleaned, I would show you how it's looking right now. So this is the entrance and this is how it looks. So you can see I have cleaned everything. And I have lit the candles as well. Everything is crystal clean. My study room looks beautiful again. So I've cleaned this rack, everything has been cleaned here, so you can see that it's clean. My work table. So this is what we share. This is the workstation that me and Neil, we both share. This is a small dustbin that's kept. We share this place, and most of the editing of the vlogs and everything, I do it on this table or on this workplace. And this is how it looks. So guys, let me know in your comment section below, how did you like the cleanup? This is very minimalistic and very simple, yet very nice. So this is the custom wing chairs that I made, that I told you before. This is something which is a favorite piece of furniture in the house for me. Okay, this is the basket of clothes that will be going out. So as I told you that I'll be giving out this basket to my house help, so probably she can collect it and she can use it. So there are a couple of jackets, a couple of t-shirts and jeans and everything that we are not using any longer. In fact, Neil is not using any longer, so we thought of giving it away. So tiring, guys. It's been like almost half a day. I've done everything. Every bit of this room is now crystal clean. I've organized both of Neil's wardrobes. One that's the casual one and the other one that's his formal office wear and his business wear and everything. Both of them has been organized right now. One is on my right and the other one is on my left. I've organized my workstation, which is behind me, and the bookshelf on top of that. Organized that. I have organized the room, as you just saw that everything is now squeaky clean. I'm so tired. It's like almost half a day of my entire day has gone. I don't know if that's making sense, but yeah, like half a day has been spent cleaning. It's squeaky clean now. I'm exhausted. So if you guys know someone who does this to your friends, or if your husband is doing this to you, please tag it to him or tag it to your friend or share it with them to show that this is what it is. And if you're a good husband and if you're not doing this to your wife, and share it with your wife, so that even your wife can be a helping hand for you guys and can do the things for you guys. So basically, Neil travels a lot, as you guys know, and so I always try to make sure that his things are ready, especially the office wear and the formal business attires is always ready. That's what I try to maintain. So I've done everything. Whatever had to go for ironing, I had called the ironing boy and sent it to him, and whatever had to go for washing, I have put them in the laundry, and whatever was like decluttering and we had to get rid of, I have put that in the basket. So that I can give it away to someone who would need it, because Neil is not using those things any longer. It's been a pretty long time. So instead of just stuffing it inside the wardrobe and not using it, it's rather a good thing to give it away to someone who might be needing those things and might be of great help to that particular person. So I do this time to time basis, maybe every 6 months down the line. We do a cleaning and decluttering, and whatever is that we are not using for the last maybe a year or so, we just take that out, and either I give it to my house help or my staff who would need it, or sometimes to the driver who needs it, or sometimes I just donate it somewhere, maybe in the society or people where the security guards are there, so you can just give it to them. They become very happy when they receive, because these are like nice jackets and everything that Neil wears, and then maybe after a couple of years or so it still looks nice and new, but then it might not fit him, or it might just be a little faded from somewhere, so he would not wear it, and that's when we think of giving it out to someone so that someone can also reap the benefits out of it. Because one thing I believe is something that is old for me might be something which is very new for someone else. So rather than just wasting it, putting inside your wardrobe, share it with people. That's what I do occasionally. And yeah, that's all. I think I should end the vlog here. I'm too tired, too exhausted. I have given everything that I could have done in this vlog, and the cleaning is so hectic. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my channel with your friends and family members, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it. And also, if you want to follow me, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, which is BeObsessed.86. So you can definitely start following me on my Instagram handle. I am pretty active on my Instagram handle, so if I am not posting a video on YouTube, then probably I would be updating something on my Instagram handle. So you can go drop in there and check. And yeah, that's all from me today. So this is Sumana signing off from Be Obsessed. Till then, be fit, be healthy, and be obsessed about yourself. Love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, you will not be able to love anybody else in the world. So self-love is the best love. So start it from yourself. So see you in my next video. Till then, love you all. Bye-bye.